Hey, I'm Charting Man Dan. If you like this video, I encourage you to check out our website, TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis, learning, and education, where we broadcast live market coverage every morning, provide live chart consultation, and point out key levels on your favorite plays in our community chat room. Why not check out our free trial and join the best technical analysis community online? Looking at SPY on the daily and weekly time frame, very bearish day. We broke out more confidently from the consolidation pattern. We had a bit of an indication here, December 9th, breaking below the low of December 3rd, that we were going to break bearish, and no doubt about it now. All moving averages on the daily chart are resistance. We closed below the previous lows of support we found back in mid-November, and we now have a clear lower high and now a lower low. So we are looking to the downside. Support is going to be the consolidation we saw back here, the low of 198.94, and then we have this gap to fill at 195.03. That is going to be a key level and our longer term target on this pullback. On the weekly chart, that is the gap here at 195.03. There are no gaps that haven't been filled on the weekly chart. What I'm trying to say is every gap that has ever been on the weekly chart in the past 4 years has been filled. This gap has taken longer than any of the others, so we are anticipating a drop to this level, and this will be our target going forward. We have the 100-week moving average support of 196.72. That is the only moving average in sight. The 200-week is way down at 171. But our goal will be that 195 target. You can see a similar consolidation pattern here compared to the daily chart one we just broke out of. We have a high, a low, a lower high, and now we'll look to form a higher low somewhere. 195 target would sure fit the bill in terms of that higher low before a bounce and potentially another lower high, consolidating trading ranges. So 195 is the overall target. We will see bounces on the way down, and we will not be bullish until we have that 200-day moving average back as support. And even then, really it's going to require a break of 211 to set a higher high and to get out of this downtrend we find ourselves in. So the bears were running wild with it today. TVIX was going off the charts, up 30% with this big sharp drop. We will be looking for a little bit of relief for the bulls, but anytime we encounter resistance, we're going to assume we're going to get rejected, and we're going to be playing puts on the way down. So if you like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I put them out daily. The website again is TheChartGuys.com. I can convey information much more efficiently live on webcam utilizing the 5-minute charts. I cover SPY all the time because so many stocks trade relative to what SPY is doing, and it's certainly great to be utilizing the 5-minute charts and the 100 and 200 period moving averages on that chart. I call them the gauges of strength, and they certainly give indication into which direction we are headed for the day. So come on by for a free week trial. I'll show you what we're all about. I appreciate you watching this video, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend.